Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. I got another video for y'all with our beautiful Fridge 48 backyard cooker. But I got not just one Fridge 48 backyard cooker, I got four. So we got 4 units. Now these are going to our guys Modz down in Texas. Y'all see me all the time shouting out our wheels dealer Modz. Well, they have come on board with TMG. They are now a TMG Pits dealer. So hey, if y'all are in Texas or the surrounding states and want to get your hands on a TMG pit with no weight, give Modz a call. They got these 4 fridges ready to roll. So let's check them out. Obviously, we got the upgraded wheels on there. Now, I don't know if many of y'all know about Modz, but they have about 1,500 different wheel options. So I'm sure they will hook you up with whatever wheel you want. Now let's get on to the smoker here. Now this is our Fridge 48 model. That's 48 inches wide, 24 inches deep. You got 3 sliding trays in here. Now this is a reverse flow smoker. So we've got removable plates down in here that direct the heat all the way across and then back out of the stack. These things are really easy to run, cook great, cook very even on the inside. Now we did upgrade them with the stainless steel front shelf there. We come around to the hot box. We have got our 30-inch hot box. Y'all know the deal. 5 sliding trays in here, 1,776 square inches of cook space. Guys, that's just because we love America. All right, that's all there is to it. Now, what's great about our hot box is it runs completely independent from the smoke chamber. So you can be cooking at 2 different temperatures at once. You can do, you can remove a plate down here and get direct fire in here. We got guys doing wood fired pizzas in there, grilling in there. You can sear in there. So really versatile option. And these do have the insulated firebox on them as well. Still got your fire management cradle down there. And step around in the back, of course, we've got the rear folding shelf, which is just a must-have option on your Fridge 48, guys. Folds down, super heavy duty. Sit on it, take a break if you need to. Fold it back up when you don't need it, locks in place, boom, you're ready to rock and roll. So guys, like I said, these smokers rolling out to our guys down at Modz in Texas. So hey, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know who to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.